Can you teach an AI workshop if you're a complete beginner in AI? So there's a bit to unpack here. It's in reference to a workshop kit that I'm starting to license. Basically, at the moment, when I go and teach a workshop about how to deploy AI in your business, I charge between $1,000 and $4,000 for 1 hour. And today I've opened up the applications for people who want to license my material and teach it to companies in their country. Already got a flood of applications that I'll be going through later. But one person has asked this really good question. So just a quick question. If you're a complete beginner to AI, would this be unsuitable for me? However, I find it very interesting. Short answer is if you want to go and teach AI to a company and show them how they can leverage AI and what they should be doing, you should have the basics of AI for sure. The materials I'm going to be providing would technically allow you to just follow the materials along and bluff your way through. However, I do not recommend that for a moment. The reason is just going through the materials I'm going to be licensing it's kind of one level, but what you want to be doing is also customizing the materials to their particular business needs. And to do this efficiently, you need to know about their business, their industry, and what's useful in their industry, as well as what AI can do for them. So in the course I'm going to be releasing alongside of the materials, I'm going to be showing you how to do this. But having a basis in AI and the current technologies is really important. What I would say though is make sure you're not asking this question from a lack of confidence or an imposter syndrome position. The actual level of AI knowledge out there in the world is very, very low. And generally the first workshop that I run with a company is basic.com. When you only have an hour of time, you really can't go that deep. Most companies right now are looking for that first survey level workshop, which is going to get everyone on the same page. And to deliver that, you don't need to be making your own AIs or even deploying APIs or anything like that. You just need to be good at communicating how AI can help the businesses. I am going to be providing learning resources to help people get up to speed on what's going on in AI, to enrich their basic knowledge of the foundations of AI as well. But it's still going to be a lot easier to deliver workshops if you know this stuff already. It's going to be less to work on at the same time. And where it really comes into play is during things like Q&As. In my workshop, I always leave a couple of spaces to answer questions, and that's when you're going to get specific questions that without a foundational knowledge of AI, it becomes quite difficult to answer. What I am doing, though, to help specifically with this delivering my workshop is collating all of the frequently asked questions that I get in my workshops, because again, it's the same 5 to 10 questions that come up again and again, and I'm going to be providing answers which you can utilize in your workshops when your own clients ask you. So short answer is yes, you should know about AI. The longer answer here is you do not need a PhD in computer science. You just need to have a solid grasp of the concepts so that you can communicate them well to your clients.